Tiago, Kuya Riley, Sir Jude, bati po kayo. Hindi ba?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ready na ba kayo? Deal? O yan, makikita niyo mamaya, ikwento natin sa inyo kung ano pagbabago ang meron ng Deal or No Deal. I, together with my production staff, welcome you to the relaunch of Deal or No Deal. We have our special guest, Mr. Bass Luis from Endemol. Hello. Thank you.
Okay, mamaya may mga questions pa tayo kay Sir Jude because gaya na nabanggit po niya, mayroon po mga pagbabagong magaganap sa relaunch ng Kapamilya Deal or No Deal. Why are we bringing this back? Ano yung mga pagbabagong yun? May konting teaser po kami inihanda para po sa inyo, panoorin natin ito.
Ngayong taon, may malaking pagbabago. Nasaan ang bagong kasama ko? Sila ang Lucky Stars! Lucky you dahil kinilang sila! Kapamilya, Deal or No Deal? Abangan!
Ayan, yun po ang tinatawag na Lucky Stars, isa po sa mga bagong hatid ng Deal or No Deal na mamaya po ay ipapaliwanag at i-explain ng, ng ating production team. And of course, ito na po, our host, nagbabalik. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Luis Manzano. Ang napakagwapo. Luis, stage show please. Ayan. Pose for photos muna para sa ating mga photographers and the vloggers.
Wag, di ako ready for photos.
Ay, wow!
Ayoko, please, wag. Naisahan niyo ako dun
Parang hindi naman handa. We're very excited po. Ako po, napaka-exciting po ng relaunch ng Kapamilya Deal or No Deal. Marami tayong bagong aasahan sa show na ito. And sana po matulungan nyo kami to spread the word about the changes na mangyayari po sa deal. Luis, magandang
Yes.
tanghali.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much for being here. Alam ko, it is a Monday. Thank you for spending the first day of the week with us. And nice to see you. Sana magandang kulitan at kwentuhan tayo ngayon.
Ayan, okay. Aaron Domingo will assist me with the Q&A. Pero ako naman siguro kung magtatanong, no? Luis, how does it feel to be back and be surrounded again by the briefcases?
Alam mo, it's overwhelming to be part of the show once again. In fact, nung last season, nagulat nga kami na umabot kami halos 1 year and a half. It was the first time for
Wow.
Deal or No Deal. And that in itself, para sa akin, we are very proud of that achievement. And for us to do it again, it means we did something right nung unang season. Kaya naman I'm very excited na itong show na to magpapakaba, magpapasaya, magpapakilig in some instances at maraming matutulungan tong show na to.
Alright, let's start the Q&A. Thank you, Luis. Aaron?
Yes, MJ. Si Manay Ethel sobrang excited na para sa show.
Ay, talaga? Doon sa show ba talaga? O sa
Nais
ibang
na
bagay?
magbigay ng yung katanungan.
Luis,
Yes, Manay. Good afternoon.
why do you think did they choose you to be the host of this again? And how many times na ba naging host ng itong program since Chris?
Basically, Manay, this is my second run for the show. Before, sabi mo, I was Miss Chris. Tapos, when I handled it for a while, I think that was last year or 2 years ago, it was the first time na umabot ng more than a year ang Deal or No Deal. So in terms of why they chose me, siguro that's for them to answer. Ayoko naman bukali yung sarili ko. Bako kahit yun ang image ko.
Let's
Yung
listen
image
to Jun Santiago.
Sir June!
Sir June.
Tulungan niyo po kami
Medyo mahirap na puro-puri sa sarili ko eh.
Si Luis is one of the bankable game show hosts we have in the country. Already flat in the industry, and the network has full trust kay Luis.
Thank you.
And advertisers also. And then patulungan nyo, audience. Hindi naman mahahaba na 1.5 years yun kung walang clamor sa audience. Siyempre, lovable yung si Luis.
Yung maliit na
Lovable
bagay.
yung sa staff. Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Joe.
Luis,
Yes, ma'am.
in that first season na naging host ka nito, how much did you think, were you able to, how much amount? Ang ano nyo, naibigay yung prize?
Madami. Kasi in fact, si Tito Boy, he went home with 1 point something million already. Ang nakuha ni Tito Boy, the briefcase was 2 million. But he dealt with 1.1 something. Si Miss Gretchen also took home at least 1 million. We gave out a lot of, for that. George and Jai, nag 1 million din po. So medyo marami-rami talaga manay.
Ang dami talagang pera ni June, ano, sa showtime.
Yes.
Ito ngayon si Bot Glorioso ng Philippine Star.
Bon, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Luis. This season ba, bigger prizes ba? Or the same lang nung last season?
Yung 2 million kasi, since it's gonna be a daily show, magiging 1 million ang top prize natin. Because of course, sabi ko nga, it's daily, so there's higher chances of getting it in a week. So yun po ang magiging top prize natin, 1 million pesos.
As a host naman, di ba sabi kasi big changes, ganyan. As a host ba, meron kang ipapakitang bago?
I think what's gonna be new on my part will be my dynamics with the Lucky Stars. Isa yun sa dapat abangan, which I can't reveal too much, kaya dapat abangan sa Feb 9 ng pilot namin. That's one aspect na hindi na siguro ako yung isasalita. Although yes, I will be the main host. Marami akong kabatuhan. Marami akong kakulitan na kahit ako, when we did a dry run, a few rehearsals, sobrang natutuwa ako. Natatawa na lang ako kahit wala akong nagsasalita dahil sa ating mga Lucky Stars, dahil kay Banker, na may bagong pasabog. So ako, it's still the same Luis. I guess yun ang inaabangan nila. That's what they're expecting. But the dynamics of the show will be completely different.
Yung Lucky Stars ba, ano yun, celebrities ba? Or saan yung kukuhanin?
Different facets of the industry. Yan dapat yabang. Kahit ako, when I met the Lucky Stars, nagulat ako na kasama sila sa show. Let's put it that way. I want it to be a very big surprise para sa lahat ng manonood ng Feb 9.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Luis, by saying Lucky Stars, pati yung rehearsal, yung sayaw, inaral nila.
Yes, ako nagulat ako sa mga Lucky Stars na napagawa niyo yan sa kanila. Seryoso, very established names.
Oo.
Yet they're part of this, what we call the Deal or No Deal family.
Okay.
Na ang sarap panoorin, na everyone's getting along, everyone wants the other one to win a big prize. At the same time, they want to win a 1 million.
Kasi may moment doon na si Charmel, o kaya si, yung mga dating, di ba, 2016.
Yes.
Pati yung moment na magbukas ng briefcase,
Lahat
inaral niya.
yun, lahat yun.
Ay.
Let's put it this way, kahit ako, MJ, nagulat ako sa mga nakasama sa Lucky Stars.
Okay.
Na, wow.
Exciting.
Tanong
Manay,
ako,
Yes,
anong
ma'am.
oras ito?
Pwede na ba? Or
hindi pa po. Fair
Hindi
time
ba?
siya,
Sa
Manay.
Feb 9 Manay. Baka after O shopping po, mga
Wow! Late naman na!
mga 2 or 3 a.m. kami live.
Luis,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
far yung mga sinight mong names na mga nanalo na are celebrities.
Yes po. Sino
Wala
ang
kayo-
highest natin na regular?
Wala kayong balak mag-ano man lang ng katulad ng ginagawa ng Showtime ng mga private individual.
No, yun naman talaga ang goal namin. But just like with any show, with ABS, kahit na for Showtime, for certain segments, they always start with celebrities for familiarity. Kagaya na ginawa nung, for new segments. So ganun din ang gusto namin. We'll start with celebrities. But ako personally, I would really love for regular players to play ASAP. Kasi ako naniniwala ako na ang mga game show ay ginawa para sa kanila. To give them that chance, to give them that 1 in a million chance to win 1 million pesos in 1 day. So that's my goal. Yun ang ginawa namin sa last Deal or No Deal. We started celebrities, like regular players, tapos nag-alternate kami from celebrity to regular players. Same thing na ginawa po namin Manay for Minute to Win It. Yun ang gusto ng ABS-CBN Game Show Department.
Manay, may follow-up ka?